Disney is a small world. Let's count. Let's count from 1 to 10, around the world and back again. Tango musicians take their places. Count the instruments in their cases. There is 1 guitar, and there are 2 violins. In the trees, the animals hide. Count the lemurs and lizards inside. There are 3 lemurs and 4 lizards. Count the kiwis, that's a word for juicy fruits. In a flightless bird, there are 5 kiwi birds and 6 kiwi fruits. Dive into the ocean blue, count the fish picking at you. There are 7 fish. How many goats like to graze along the coast on sunny days? There are 8 goats. Count the paper cranes on strings, stretching out their paper wings. There are 9 paper cranes. One more thing before you go, count the pups hiding in the snow. There are 10 puppies. We hope you had some fun counting from 1 to 10. And now you're done.